Do you know why most opening remarks in a courtroom today in New York sound like you're in an Old English courtroom? You want to learn why? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You'll typically hear this in a courtroom. May it please the court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, counselor, madam stenographer, I represent John Jones. You're going to hear from John a little bit later. Now, why do we have that formality, that tradition? Well, that type of tradition has come from hundreds of years of Old English law that have carried over and still exist in courtrooms today in New York. Even though we are so technologically advanced, these type of traditions still continue on in the courtroom. We give the court the respect that they expect and that we are required to give. The court, the judge, has the obligation to control that courtroom. Now, hundreds of years ago, going back into Old English times, the attorney who would present the case to the court may be a judge, it might be the king, it might be a landlord, and you would typically try and please that individual. May it please your lordship, may it please the king, may it please your honor. Okay, you always try that formality, and that still has carried over today. The only thing we're missing are the gray wigs that still are in use in England, and the attorneys do not wear robes. I'm sure you know that by watching TV, by seeing movies. In New York, in the United States, lawyers do not wear robes. The only person who wears a robe in the courtroom is the judge. So, why do I tell you this quick tidbit of trivia? I tell it to you because it gives you an insight and an understanding into how the legal process works and how trials work. And chances are you're watching this particular video because you have questions about your particular matter. And what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every day. This is what I do. And I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.